Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. Today we have a RONSON gem made in Newark, New Jersey. Tortoise enamel to the front and back. Shows scuffs, scrapes, dings, loss of the paint there on the back especially. I don't know if this spot here was for a monogram or if that's just for decorative purposes. It's not flat. And it sort of has a little bit of an air about it, like it belongs on an automobile, like the name plate of an automobile or something. I believe the lighter would be late 40s, early 50s. So I'm not sure how that design would figure into that time. I wasn't around then. Very clean lighter. Does have, as I said, scrapes, dings, dents, loss of paint. Very slender feel. Not much to it as far as weight. But you have decent purchase to manipulate it because of the fact that the body is so long. I don't know, I think maybe it's the old Buick logo that reminds me of. Oldsmobile maybe. I like these enameled RONSONs. They have a certain elegance about them. This lighter would not take up much space in your pocket if you chose to carry one that way. I wouldn't carry an enameled lighter that way. That's could be how it ended up with losing its part of its paint on the back. But these RONSON Gem are the perfect size, just like a Zippo Slim, to slip in your pocket, fit in the watch pocket of your jeans, or in a pocket of your shirt or jacket. And with the RONSONs, with the closed tank, the way the snuffer seals off the wick, you're going to get pretty good fuel economy for the size of lighter that you're carrying. And one way or another with a RONSON, there are always going to be parts out there for them. If there are RONSON lighters, there will be RONSON parts. There's tons of them out there. So if you ever need to fix a RONSON lighter, there's always parts out there to salvage in the eBay auctions and other listings, or estate sales, garage sales, or there are folks out there that have a stockpile of parts that they'll sell you. A number of ways to get where you're going. I believe this is the third RONSON with the tortoise enamel that we've done a video for in the last few months, and this is certainly the most pedestrian of the three. Ted Ballard told me that there's no such thing as an insignificant lighter. I disagree with that, especially the plastic ones, but this one is not insignificant. That is for a fact. I'll agree with Ted on that one. If you like watching videos about old petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit that share button. Send that link off in a text, email, post it on social media, however it is that you communicate with folks nowadays, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Leave any comments or questions below the video. We would also appreciate it if you would follow and like us across all the social media platforms. That would include Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and of course follow us on eBay. Until next time.